Hi guys, Piggers the Gaijin here, Jamaican YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. This is a real what is this? A podcast, a PDGCAST. I'm gonna be a short. I don't know how long it's gonna be today, but I had to do this. I should have done this actually early in the week, but time has been really warped. Just finished Obon holiday in Japan, the week-long holiday. Back at work now, and it's just been crazy. Had an event last night, Friday, till the morning. This morning, got home by 7, slept a little bit, then went to work for 1 o'clock, and I just get home now. It's now 8:30. It's now 9ish, 10ish, whatever. You know what I mean? And I'm here. So I'm tired, but I'm still here, and I'm grateful. Grateful is a word that I think I have not as have. I don't think I have been as grateful on the channel, well, visibly or explicitly, in my videos as I should be or could have been. I do a lot of my positivity like offline. I talk to my friends, man, have a good time, whatever. And I always appreciate my subscribers and persons who have been there from old school Dre without hair, slim-ish Dre, fattish Dre, slimish Pickles, everything, you know what I mean? From my first videos when I was saying Kodewa Nandeska to everything in Japan, to now. And of course, things have changed over the years, algorithms, all that, whatever. And just to put it in perspective, many people never get to even 1,000 subscribers or 5,000. Many people haven't done YouTube for 8 years. Wow, that's crazy. But one of the things that I sometimes tend to forget is persons watch your channel that you don't even interact with ever, or they don't interact with you at all. But persons are appreciating what you're doing, and there's a voice or representation of them that they may not ever have ever had seen if you did not do it. I mean, of course, there's Ranzo, Black in Japan, who is the Don on the Black in Japan thing and Black in Asia stuff. But I think I like to think that I have a different take, a different style of doing things, in a more comical, satirical type thing, and yeah, and people appreciate it. And I am real, not raw, but real as it can get. I mean, I do sometimes, to be honest, try to put things in a way that is a bit more palatable for most persons, but you still get the truth, you know what I mean? You still get the news in Japan, things that people don't actually ever really talk about, Many things happen here in this country that don't make it to the international sphere, and that's why this image is so rose colored. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. I want to thank Shakira, right? That subscriber that said to me, I grew up watching Dre, and now I think I have an opportunity to come to Asia, and 8 years is a long time, Growing up, high school to university. Wow, I didn't know people watch me that long. I had some subscribers that used to watch me in the beginning and left, and I have some subscribers that have been recently logged on to the movement, PDG Nation. But it's you have to think and appreciate the fact that, first of all, I have a life. 2, I have a platform that persons actually, I guess, respect, and maybe things, that are not going the way I want to, but it's going according to how it's supposed to go, apparently, and you just have to work with the program and the timing of things. Could I have done things differently? Yes, I could have done a lot of things. I could have probably fostered some relationships with people. I could have cut off some people earlier. A lot of things I could have done, but I don't think I regret anything, because I have met people and done things through this channel that I would have never done otherwise, and I'm forever grateful for that, and for you guys for giving me a platform. Yeah, sometimes it's frustrating, the fact that things that are more personal to me don't get the same sort of attention, but I mean, it is what it is at the end of the day, you know what I mean? Most of my stuff now I do on Instagram that I wanted. The things that I like are really more on Instagram. Growing that fan base as well. Growing that platform as well. And so, because the music is really, the intent was to get more people loyal to me, my loyal followers, subscribers, friends, families, for whoever, to get into my music. That was it. That was the route. YouTube to music, and music to entertain and stuff. That was the plan. I don't know what is happening, but I mean, I'm doing all three now. And I love to entertain. My personality trait is an entertainer. Like, I did a test and everything. That is what I'd like to do. That makes me truly happy. I belong on a stage. I belong belong behind a microphone or with a microphone in my hand. I like to entertain. I like to bring value to whatever platform or area or topic there is. And, you know, I thank my parents for how they raised me. And the persons who have interacted, who have molded me to be the man that I am today. You know, there's certain things that I guess people can't take, and that's fine. Take me in the small doses, but you have to have a dose of pickles because it's good for the soul. You know, even if it's a teaspoon, probably that's it. You know, probably I put out too much content, or put out too many things, so it's an overdose for people. I probably need to put out a little bit to have me in small doses. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah. Now, this week, Japan is a real place. I always say this because it feels as if I am not living in a place that's entirely real. And it can never get old, and it's something that will always happen. Things are coming to the fore that persons don't wish to come to the fore because it destroys or goes against their ideals of what this country is. Invariably, we as a people like to protect things that we hold dear, which is something that we're supposed to do. But some people overprotect, you know, like overprotective parents. Last time I just my shirt. Oh, that was some dirt. Are overprotective, you know, and we don't allow things to grow and to mature and develop. What am I saying here? I don't know what I'm saying. Off topic. So yeah, that's that and that. Now, going forward, I do hope that I will continue to have your support. Some vlogs should be coming up. Because I am that type of person. I'm an eccentric person. I like to do many things different. I like to do different things. I don't like to be boxed in. And that goes against what the algorithm does on YouTube. So you have to have a set thing that people want to watch on your channel. And that's the thing you have to keep putting out, because that's why people are there. And once person stops watching it, you are removed. I just realized I have seen some videos from people for ages. Like DeFranco. DeFranco, I think Evelyn from the internet, the singer boy, couple singers. I haven't seen anything from them, and I have to go in manually and search for it. But they're bringing up also for watching like the anime, the sports clips, you know, ESPN FC stuff, things that I'm watching all the time. They keep recommending Warzone clips, FIFA clips. They're sending those things because that's what I'm currently watching, just going through. And I guess it works because that's I keep watching, and then I forget about my subscription, you know. But you still should be notified of when your subscriber puts out something you subscribe to. That makes perfect sense, especially if they click the notification bell. It makes no sense to me because clearly this don't work. It's clearly not working. YouTube, you're mean and you're killing the smaller content creators. But anyway, we move. Yeah, I've been working on the music. I have some collabs I'm trying to work on secure going into the fall period of this year. So some exciting things to come to the channel, and exciting things for me. I'm back on my workout regime, because I can't be looking like this anymore. I really got out of hand. I need to get back down to the weight, you know, get back down even below that, you know what I mean? Because it's affected all parts of life. Anyway, I was supposed to provide an update about the dating. Did I do it already? So for the dating part of my life, the girl is just awesome. Really awesome. But it's not gonna work for a particular reason. Hold on there. I can't pause this. I'll pause this. Right, so I promised you guys updates. Yeah, so went on a date went really well. Awesome girl, just man. Yeah, this is not gonna happen because of yeah. Yeah, you know, one of them things in life, because of both of where we are in our lives and what we hold dear, It's just one thing that really is just I yeah, yeah, we were honest with each other. Basically, we were honest. I don't know if she liked me. I think she said she liked me. I don't remember. I can't remember. Maybe she did, but I don't know. But we are now friends, and that's how we, by mutual. Yeah, yeah. She's a really nice girl, though. If I could do what I needed to do to, yeah, I mean, I would do it, but I can't. I can't see myself doing that. And that is it. I don't want to be too, I don't want to, yeah. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, so still out here suffering. So if Salt was a person, that would be me. I even revealed too much already about this. Probably edited it out. Yeah. So that's that. Boom. No one is talking about the whole link with the gentleman that killed Shinzo Abe, and the link with the Unification Church, with the LDP, which is the party that Shinzo Abe was a leader of, and the fact that church contributes voters to the LDP, with the kickback of them getting some bureaucratic tape, or some things getting a blind eye pass at certain things that they do. This won't be the first or the last time that some religion, some church group was involved in government and state. That's historical. This has been happening throughout time. The church used to be the head of state, and then they separated powers, but then the church was actually working behind the scenes. Different, it's there, it's documented, so you can go check it out yourself. The thing with this Unification Church, now I don't know what it is. I don't know exactly. I didn't do the research about what the church is, but the fact that they provide volunteers to help with the campaigns for LDPD members, or in particular, Mr. Rest in peace, Mr. Abe. It kind of lends to the fact that something is not quite too right there. But I'm not going to judge anything. I'm just putting out the facts there for you guys to go and do your reading if you want to do your reading on that. Then the most recent thing, the government is asking, the Japanese government is trying to encourage younger Japanese persons to drink more alcohol in an effort to stimulate the economy. Apparently, Japanese young persons are not drinking enough, and which leads to, I don't know, because I guess, I don't really know what the government was. I know what they want, but I'm not talking about it. I'm going to do that for Instagram video. Yeah, so that's what's happening. But if you've seen any of the hotspots in Tokyo at night, Shibuya, or Roppongi, or Shinjuku, and you see the drunkenness, and you see people on the ground sprawl out, and the vomit and all that. Come on, man. There's actually a Instagram page called Shibuya Mellow. Go and look it up. And basically people on the train passed out drunk and that sort of thing. So I mean, something is not quite adding up. The math is not mathematizing. The math is not mathing, right? Yeah, that's it, I guess. I'll try to get some more content to you guys going forward. Just remember to support, subscribe, share, make sure follow on Instagram, and I'll see you guys soon. Because guys in Jamaica YouTuber, Ikimashu.